Okay, so I'm asking Larry here some questions about the awning.
Like that. There's still more Steve Louise.
And now I have wet feet. All right, we're gonna go check out Live and Learn's RV. Come check it out because I can almost guarantee you haven't ever seen an RV with a Murphy bed in it. So let's go. So check this out. That's their bed, and it's a Murphy bed. It folds up into the wall, and then they have a couch that's below it. How cool is that to save space? What do you have to do to fold it up?
All right, you have this little handle on the side that you pull to unlock it.
Okay.
It's a safety thing, so then you just flip it
Check
up.
that out. Okay, and that folds, and it becomes the front of it becomes a shelf then.
Right.
Okay.
And you can actually put, so I've been told, put things on it and it'll stay because of the leveling of it.
Yeah, because it actually changes direction
Right.
or whatever. That's
and
pretty
the
cool.
couch, you just,
And that's it.
that's it.
Literally like 10 seconds.
Right. It's great. And the straps hold everything down so we don't have to remake the bed every time.
So that's what the straps were that went across the... Okay. Now how cool is that? Look at all the space that they have and they save. They don't have to have a really giant RV. They have something they can still tow with a normal sized vehicle. And they have a couch during the day and then a bed at night. That's a great idea. Forest River did a great job on this. So you guys have a dinette there that folds
Yes.
down into a bed.
Yes, it makes it like a single bed.
You got storage below.
Just
That's always
one.
nice.
Just the one drawer.
That doesn't have
This one
storage?
has the water heater.
Oh, okay.
No worries. Okay. And our high-tech recycling
Yes.
collection area.
There you go.
And you have the command hooks
Yes.
Yes.
that come in handy.
They do.
So you have is that a convection oven microwave or just a regular microwave?
Just a regular microwave.
Okay, but you do have a full-size oven down
do.
below.
We do. I haven't used it yet, but it's there. Right now it's storing bread.
Cool.
Not making it.
You don't want an oven until you want an oven.
Right.
Then you wish you had an oven.
There you go.
So we might as well just get the oven.
Yeah, and then when you want it, you actually have it.
Right.
So let's check out this bathroom. The bathroom's in the rear of this unit. They got the commode, they got a pantry there. The sink, and they got a pretty decent sized shower. And it's got the skylight, so you got some headroom in there. Pretty decent. Alright, check this out. They got some pillows made. And that's the name of their YouTube channel, Live and Learn RV. And I'll have a link down in the description so you can check it out. Because they do a lot of state parks up in South Carolina.
Mm-hmm.
They got some pretty decent videos. So they got their refrigerator, that's got a freezer in it too.
Yes.
And then we got storage up above. They got speakers in the ceiling, so they got music throughout this whole thing from one unit. That's pretty neat.
Poor quality music, but music nonetheless.
Hey, his choice of music's poor, he said.
That wasn't where I was going, but
So AC is actually ducted through the ceiling. They got their vent there, which is their bedroom and the living room.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty neat. I think Forest River did a great job with this camper here. Leave me a comment down in the comments and let me know what you think of this model. What is this model?
this is 1905 G Mini Lite, and it is actually no longer even in production. This concept floor plan, they have moved to the GeoPro line.
Okay.
So there's a 19-foot GeoPro that is pretty much this exact same layout. The color scheme's different, and it's already got solar installed. It comes with, this is solar ready.
Oh, okay.
But it didn't come with a panel. This model in the GeoPro line now, it comes with a panel. So, because it's supposedly geared for off-grid camping.
Oh, excellent.
But the floor plan's the same.
Perfect. So, like you said, it comes prepped for solar. I'll show you what they mean by that. Come on, let's go outside. All right, now we're outside on the front of the unit. There it is. It's got a plug set up for a Zamp solar charger. So you just go ahead and, I guess you would plug it in and the panel would just sit down.
They have the little suitcase panels, and you find your sun direction and face them that way, angled in, and it'll trickle charge.
So it came pre-wired for it, but it didn't come with the panels.
Correct. You have to come up with your own panel and your own controller.
Okay. You got the power awning. Does yours have a light up there?
Not up here, it's at the base. It runs along this line.
Oh, there it is. Okay. The LED, you can see the strip there.
Yeah.
Nice.
And we were told that that light is that color because it will not attract insects as readily as white light does.
How does that work?
We don't think the insects care.
Cable hookup out here, outlet for TV. You got a rail here. So do you have a grill that snaps into this?
All mini lights come with a grill, but it's not the greatest grill in the world. So we've got it, but we've never even taken it out of the box.
Okay.
But a shelf attaches here.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it comes with a metal shelf. You slide the shelf all the way down, and then you put the grill right next to it, so you've got like prep space next to your grill.
Oh, I didn't know. I thought it was just a grill hung there. That's pretty cool. So
Yeah, it's both. Yeah.
so you can put the shelf up there without
and
using
then
the
you
grill.
got your gas quick connect down here.
So you don't.
Right in there.
Oh yeah, there you go. So you can use your onboard instead of the little expensive tanks. That's pretty cool.
Your main propane supply.
Yeah. And you got your water heater sitting here. Got a little storage compartment there. Yeah, it's got a ladder to get up on the roof. Looks like it has a spot for a backup camera.
Prepped for backup, yeah.
That's pretty cool. City water connection here. What is antifreeze inlet?
I hear tell that's something that northerners have to do.
Okay.
We southerners who live down here in the tropics, we don't know about such things.
And there's all their social, live and learn RV. You got your dump stuff over here. Cable and satellite hookup. What is the two different?
Supposedly one for cable and one for satellite. I hear tell that the frequency of the signal coming in is different between cable and satellite, so it requires different wiring. But I've never had satellite, so I don't know.
Okay, so that would be for like one of those little portable satellites that somebody.
Yeah.
Okay. Fridge here, vent on the roof.
Yep.
Outside shower. I wish we had that.
Water tank fill.
Okay, it's the fill.
Yeah, and black tank flush.
Okay.
Anything that helps clean the black tank is all right with me.
You got your furnace vent here with your mud dauber covers on it. It's nice that they put your black tank flush all the way over here and your fresh water over there. So I've heard horror stories of people
People
using
get confused.
Yes, and then overflowing the tank.
The poop geyser.
And more storage here. Is this a pass-through?
No pass-through because of the Murphy bed. They couldn't do a pass-through.
Okay, that's right. And you got a front window. It's got, man, look at the curve in that thing. It's pretty nice. And I see you attracted some bugs on the way.
Yeah. Well, it sounds like machine gun fire hitting it coming down here.
So you got twin propane tanks?
220 pounds.
Excellent. So there's just a regular barbecue tank. You can
Correct.
exchange it if you needed to. Okay. It's got the stabilizer jacks, and then you got a power jack in the front. Everything you need. Okay, so I'm asking Larry here some questions about the awning. I'm like, this is nice that he has an awning like this, because ours is a manual awning and the bracket comes down, and if you don't have it unattached from the unit, you don't see it and you bang your head into it. So his is high enough, and I'm asking him, I'm like, what's this lock nut for? And then he grabs this thing and pulls down on it to tilt it.
I bet there's still more up here.
He said that's in case you get water on it so it can drain to one side. And as he pulls it down, a ton of water comes off of it at us.
Like that.
It's still Louise. How much water does that thing hold?
So now you know what that's for. Apparently you're supposed to have it tilted before it rains. And we're waiting here until after it rains so it's filled like a swimming pool.
Live and learn.
And that's what their channel's based on, is living and learning. And now I have wet feet. There he goes. He's going to try to take a bath. I'm going to stay way over here.
Oh, sure, now it's all gone. There it is. That must be the brunt of it then.
Yeah, that was a trickle compared to what came down before. That was a Niagara Falls. All right, it's a pretty decent camper. I like it. But you know, the only thing that can make this thing better, and that's a Camp More Bark, Less Sticker. Well, we had a good time at Live and Learn RV.
Yes, had a good time.
So thanks, Smokey. Thanks, Jessie. We had a great time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. We appreciate it. And we'll see you on the road. Thanks.